Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all are fine. Today, I'm going to teach you the letter B. Capital B, small b. Children, in the last class, we learned the letter capital A, small a. A sounds A. A. The sound of the A is A. Let us recall the A letter pictures. Apple, ant, alligator, aeroplane, and so on. Children, today we are going to learn about the letter B. Capital B, small b. What letter is this, children? B. What letter? B. What is the sound of the letter, children? The sound of the letter B is B. B. What is the sound of the letter? B. Children, now let us look at some pictures starts with the letter B. What is this picture, children? Have you seen this one? Yes. This is a bat. Do you have bat in your house? Do you like to play with bat? Yes, this is a cricket bat. The sound of the letter B is B. B says B, B, bat. Children, next what is this? Yes, this is a ball. Colorful ball. Do you like to play with the ball, children? Yes. We all enjoy playing with the ball. B for ball. B says ba 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 as a ball. Children, see what is this picture? Have you seen this? Yes, it is a bus. Have you seen this bus? What color is this? Yellow color. Very good. Our school bus is yellow in color. B says ba 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 as a bus. Children, who is in the picture? Yes, a cute baby. Baby is very beautiful, children. B says ba 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 as a baby. Children, who is he? Yes, he is a boy. B for boy. B says ba 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 as a boy. Children, what it is? Have you seen this one? Yes, it is a basket. B for basket. Basket is used to carry things. B says ba 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 as a basket. Can you say what is this, children? Yes, it is a book. B for book. What you will do with this book? Book is used to read. B says ba 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 as a book. Children, can you see what is this? Yes, this is a bell. Have you heard the bell sound, children? Ding, ding, ding. Yes. B for bell. B says ba 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 as a bell. Children, see what fruit is this? Yes, this is banana. Banana is a yummy fruit. It is yellow in color. B for banana. B says ba 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 as banana. Children, see what picture is this? Yes, balloon. It is a balloon. Have you seen the balloon? Have you played with balloon, children? Yes. B for balloon. B says ba 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 as a balloon. Children, next see this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a bee. Bee is an insect. It produces honey. It makes sound bzzz. Bee. B for bee. B says ba 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 ba. B says ba 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 as a bee. Children, see what is this? Yes, it is a butterfly. Have you seen the butterfly? Yes, we can see the butterfly in the garden. Butterfly, butterfly, flying high. Butterfly, butterfly, up in the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, flying in the sky. B says ba 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 as a butterfly. Children, now shall we see the story of letter B? The boy went to the school. He heard the bell ringing. He went to his class and took out his bag. He opened his bag and found what, children? Yes, he found a book. He started reading. When he was studying, the bell rang. It was lunch period. He was very hungry. He took out his lunch box to have food. While eating, he felt thirsty. So, he took out his water bottle to drink water. And then, he is very happy. What happened? It was games period. He wanted to play with the ball. He played with the bouncing ball in the ground. Again, the bell rang. He had to go back to his house. So, what did he do? He went to his classroom and packed all his things. What are the things he has to pack? Book, water bottle, lunch box in the bag. And then he went to home by the bus. Children, now shall we sing the B letter rhymes? Bring your bat and bring your ball. B, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Children, have you enjoyed learning the letter B? Enjoyed the story and the rhymes? I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, children.